Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue our previous video, and in this video, we are going to update our data from Flutter and it will dynamically update on Firebase. So let's open our previous project. So we need to delete this and update data. It looks like similar with create data, so we need to copy this and then we paste here. Alright, so we say here update it, and let's say we want to change John Cena, and let's see here, and we want to change student GPA. So let's say, and GPA, let's say 3.7, and we press update it, and we see here 3.7. It's a dynamically update in our Firebase. Alright, so let's say we want to update this data, and we say here, and let's say we want to update a study program ID, and right here let's say and GPA and update, we see, and let's say update GPA. Alright, so as simple as that. I think that's enough my video today. See you on the next video.